Just hold this for me. I know I need to be in four-wheel to get up this portion of the hill. So.
Okay. You want me to record the sound or what?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Oh God, that's terrible.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, I don't know, it's not fucking good. Look, gotta get it.
Almost.
I worry it might be,
like the gears aren't engaging all the way, or... If you can do a bunch of it with two-wheel, I would. Was that on the fly?
Yeah.
Maybe don't do it on the fly. Like give it a minute, pop through neutral so it can engage all the way in and out.
Yeah.
Make sure.
That makes sense. Well, I think we're good from here anyways.
Treat it like it's not on the fly.